Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our beloved lecturer, Madam Faraliza, and my fellow friends. Today, I would like to present about Machine Readable Catalogue or Mark 21. For the introduction, Mark 21 stands for Machine Readable Cataloging, and Machine Readable stands for a computer that can read the cataloging record. Descriptions, key entries, added entries, topic headings, and call number are included in the catalog record. For the informations in the cataloging record, for the description, compose the bibliographic description of a library object following the rules of AACR second edition. It is seen in the cards paragraph section. The title, edition, publication details, physical description, sequence, notes, and standard numbers are available. For the main entries and added entries, to decide an access point for the cataloging record, AACR has rules. The access point is the main entry and other added entries. The access point is used by users of the library to search for an item. The next one is subject headings and call number. Sales list subject headings or Library of Congress subject headings are used by librarians. The application of subject headings is to make sure that the item of the same subject is consistently listed. A book on architecture, for example, will all be classified under one topic to make it easier for users to locate them. For call number, the librarians use the classification of either Dewey Decimal or Library of Congress. The purpose of a call number is to place items on the same subject in the library on the same shelf. For the next one, I will tell you about why is Mark record necessary. Mark is necessary for a few reasons. Computers need a way to view the cataloging card data. By using Mark, computers can view the cataloging card data. There are unique signs and text in the Mark record to make it readable by computers. Each area has its own signs and text for the computers to respond to. If the record is saved, the computer will then display the record on the screen or print other sets of catalog cards. I will tell you about Mark terms and their definitions. Each record is divided into several fields: an author area, title information, publication information, and so on. Since the individual field names are too long to be rewritten inside a Mark record, they are substituted instead of represented by a three-digit tag. A tag is a representation of each field in a three-digit number format. Some of the most frequently used tags are: 001 tag marks the Library of Congress control number LCCN. 020 tag marks the International Standard Book Number ISBN. 100 tag marks a personal name main entry or author. 245 tag marks the title information. 250 tag marks the edition. 260 tag marks the publication information. Now, I will tell you about where do Mark originate. Instead of developing it, librarians collect all cataloging data by themselves early in the history of Mark. They have been buying sets of catalog cards from the Library of Congress for their new materials for decades. Librarians also use chip to make their own cards that can be found on the reverse side of the book. When computers become available, instead of spending their time rewriting the same cataloging record for an item, the data is all computer printed by a cataloger. Other than that, librarians take full advantage of it after the Mark record has been developed. whether it is from a library with or without access to the online system. The cards were bought from the Library of Congress, where computers based on their Marc records files printed them all. It's fair to say these days that almost every library has its own online system which can read and print Marc documents. Furthermore, the Library of Congress published the first edition of Marc in 1987, followed by the second edition 1990, third edition 1994, and fourth edition in the year of 2000. This knowledge helps with the arrangement of the characters used and the Marc 21 format for other libraries. Marc 21 also needs to keep up with the technology that continues to evolve by year and has had a few additions to it, such as making the Marc available for diskettes to be transferred and so on. For the conclusion, to ensure the quality and effectiveness of the management of a library, systematically structured bibliographic data is very important. With the development of Marc 21 libraries, I'm seeing and now working under the same rules, resulting in more efficient control of bibliography. Marc 21 is a very significant feature of the bibliographic data of the library, which has also resulted in a better service for users of the library. That's all from me. Thank you.